This is the C18 high-frequency concrete saw. It's specifically designed for cutting of reinforced concrete, masonry, and stone. It has a 6,500 watt brushless motor with a 457 millimeter blade for a maximum cutting depth of 175 millimeters. The water-cooled high-frequency brushless motor has outstanding power and efficiency. The motor has advanced motor protection with overload and thermal protection, and an LED indicator that indicates load conditions. The blade guard can be easily adjusted, and the tool-free detachable guide rollers can be installed for perpendicular cuts and to reduce operator fatigue. The C18 can be used for flush cutting. A detachable blade guard, flush cutting flange, and alternate water nozzle make it easy to switch between flush cutting and standard cutting. The C18 is used with the water-cooled 8,000 watt P8K power converter. Special circuitry accepts 3-phase 380 volt, 3-phase 230 volt, and single-phase 230 volt. It has electronic protection for over and under voltage, as well as thermal and current overload. The LCD information display shows voltage, elapsed hours, and error codes.